Welcome. In front of me I have Realme X7 Max, and today I'll show you how face unlock work in this smartphone. I mean how it works. So let's make a few tries and let's see how it performs. As you can see, it's very fast. There's no any delay, you press power key and the smartphone is unlocked. I think it's even faster than the fingerprint sensor that we can find on the display. So yeah, this device is amazing. And I'll probably get this one. I will change my Asus Zenfone 7 Pro for that Realme GT because this phone surprised me. So yeah, and take a look. Of course it's activated because right now I cannot unlock. So yeah, that's how the face unlock works on the Realme X7 Max. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.